everyone, let's get started with the weekly wrap and what are the levels to watch out for, how Nifty, Bank Nifty is shaped up. We have seen a spectacular comeback by the bulls after the recent hiccup towards 10,800. From the next day onwards, the market just took off with the help of a few heavyweight themes. Initially, it was the IT space that took the charge and lifted markets higher from the critical levels, along with some participation from the banking space. In fact, the momentum kept accelerating in the week gone by, courtesy to some excellent news flow in the IT giant TCS to lift the overall sentiments, for the other peers as well. Addition to this, HDFC Twins joined the party and had stellar moves throughout the week. Any robust rally in the market is incomplete, without the contribution of the banking space. On Friday, post the RBI policy, banking stocks attracted tremendous buying interest to eventually end the week at a new 7-month high for Nifty above the 11,900 mark. In the last couple of weeks rally, global markets played the major part as we are seeing some gravity defying moves despite some in between uncertainty. Initially, in our recovery mode, we were a bit skeptical, but in the first half of the week, we had to admit the miss and eventually started participating in this move. The way Nifty surpassed the 31st August high of 11,794 with some authority and is now within the kissing distance of 12,000. The positivity is likely to extend further. Importantly, the banking space, which was following the benchmark in the entire recovery, finally showed some dominance on Friday. This factor is very much in favor of the bulls, which may provide impetus for the extended rally. Now, the only missing factor is the participation from the broader market. If we look at the Nifty Midcap Index, in the last 7 to 8 sessions, they remained muted throughout, and only a handful of heavyweight themes lifted the market higher. Hence, if Midcap Index breaks out from recent congestion, it will be then considered as a healthy rally. Let's see how things pan out in the next couple of sessions. Now, as far as the levels are concerned, the base has shifted higher and the previous resistance area of 11,700, 450 should now be treated as a strong support. On the flip side, we are very much close to the psychological mark of 12,000. The moment it's taken out, we may see a steady move towards 12,200, 12,400. Since the banking index is back to 200-day SMA on the daily chart on a closing basis, and the way it's closed with a complete gush in the space, a move beyond 24,000 would provide strong support to the benchmark index. However, we would like to highlight that since the move is extremely swift, anytime we can see some intraday profit booking, and hence one needs to position accordingly and be very fussy in stock selection. Now, as far as individual stock ideas are concerned, we have a few ideas in the option segment. The entire OMC space has corrected substantially over the past couple of weeks. From this space, we like HPCL. So 180 call option can be bought around the current price 6.3 with a stop around 3 rupees and target 12 rupees. L&T, which has been a laggard, have shown some early signs of revival. So L&T 920 call option trading around 26 can be bought with a stop around 15 rupees and target would be 45. And solitary bearish call would be on Grasim. Although the entire market has been buzzing since last few days, Grasim on Friday saw some profit booking around its key resistance area. So Grasim 740 put option trading around 22 half can be bought for a target of 52 and stop can be placed at 11.2. Thank you.